Good evening, room service. This is John Mark. How am I assist you?
Good evening. I would like to order a dessert, please.
Certainly, ma'am, sir. What would you like to order?
We would like to order two slices of cake and two cup of coke.
Let me repeat your order. Two slices of cake and two cup of coke.
That's correct.
May I have your room number, please?
It's room 308.
Thank you, ma'am, sir. Your total is 200 pesos and your order will arrive in about 15 and 20 minutes. Have a pleasant
Okay, thank you.
Room service.
Please come in.
Ma'am, sir, please here's your order. It's two slices of cake and two cup of water.
You would like to sit up on your table?
Yes, please.
Let's check if it is complete.
Yes, everything looks good. Thank you.
Enjoy your dessert, ma'am, sir.
Thank you.
Hello.
Good evening. Good evening, room service. This is John Mark. How am I assist you?
Please dish out our table.
Room service.
Yes, come in.
Here's your receipt, ma'am, sir.